Hi, my old friend. Good morning to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching this video and my previous videos too. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon to get the instant notification. And another thing, if anyone wants to learn the techniques from me, then you can join my techniques course to learn the techniques for better understand the market and based on technical analysis, and you can get maximum profit from if you trade based on technical analysis. So if anyone wants to join my techniques course, you can feel free to join my techniques course too. And this is the Nifty analysis for the next week. And Nifty next week resistance is 17,300 to 17,364 levels. Support 16,945 to 16,680 and then 15,929 levels. This is the two support zone and one resistance zone for this Nifty weekly. This is the Nifty 50 weekly analysis. And let's go to chart. This chart and this is this analysis on based on pure technical analysis. And this is the price index chart on candlestick formation. You will see this is the head and shoulder formation breakout a long-term trend line, and the price and the index structure is showing that the downtrend lower top and lower bottom formation is creating. So Nifty is now in a bear formation, in bear trap also. When 17,800 levels is broken, then I told to all of you that it's going to be a major fall or is a cautious for the Nifty 50. You will see from the 17,800 to now 17,000 levels is touched. Even 17,000 level touch near 17,000 touch. So 800 point correction is happening, and at this moment of time, support zone is 16,945 to 16,681. This is the zone for the support zone at this moment. If maybe next week or so in this zone, if we try to take support from these levels, if that support levels broke, then straightway 15,929 levels is the next support zone will come. So at this moment 16,945 to 16,680 levels is the first support zone, and then 15,929 is the next support zone, and the resistance zones is at this moment for the Nifty 50 17,300 to 17,375 levels. Resistance zones at this moment 17,300 to 17,375 levels at this moment for the resistance zone Nifty 50 for the next week or so. This is the daily chart, and this is the weekly chart. You will see a big black candle is happened, and 18,600 to 17,000 levels is the correction happened. 1,600 points more, 1,600 points nearly corrected Nifty 50. And this weekly, you will see uptrend line is broken with a very good volume also, you can say, and the and close very much below from the uptrend line support. So there is a negativeness is there. Maybe it stay more than 100 points 1 month or 2 months. It's maybe time to take from this to take the for the any uptrend. Is now the correction is happening, and 1 or 2 months maybe Nifty try to, I think so Nifty may another one month or 1.5 month or 2 months is maybe corrected or consolidated from this, try to base the to find the base of on the Nifty 50. For the support zone, support base, try to find in next week so, or next couple of months so. You will see when MACD line is below 0 in daily chart. Weekly MACD downtrend, and Nifty 50 is try to take support at 49.50 levels or near to 39.40 levels. Which area it will go to take support, we have to watch. And you will see Nifty 40 levels is try to hold, but it's failed, and again below 40 levels is now trading Nifty 50 in daily chart RSI. So, and the RS and MACD line is below 0, so more correction try to happen in Nifty 50. So we have to first watch this zone of 16,945 to 16,680 level. So hope you all understand the Nifty weekly analysis. 17,300 to 17,364 levels is the first resistance, support 16,945 to 16,680 levels, and then 15,929 levels. This is the Nifty weekly analysis for educational purpose. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. And if anyone wants to join my techniques course, you can feel free to join my techniques course also. So thanking you to all of my friends, thanking you to all of you again.